some editing, and now I'm here with my cousin Shreya, who doesn't want to be in the vlog, but she is 4 years elder to me, and she's helping me out with taking some pictures today. So I'm wearing the outfit, all dressed up, and here is the location that I picked out. I've had my eye on this for many days, and we're finally shooting here. So I have brought my cousin Shreya to my favorite place in Bhutan, which is Galleria. And it's become even more cooler, guys, because they've just opened up Theobroma here. So Theobroma is this really popular chain from Mumbai, and it's here today, and that's where we're gonna go. And we want this one. Okay, so we have ordered the caramel custard, and I think this is the brownie that's supposed to be very famous, the walnut brownie. Okay, so I went and bought Grazia magazine because I am in this month's issue. I should have asked them on the page, right? I can't find it. Yay! This is so cool, guys. Oh my god. Hey, I am ready to go for my dance rehearsal. I had mentioned in the last vlog that I'm preparing a dance cover for you guys. So this is probably the third last rehearsal. I have to go a very long way. So about 1.5 hours away from my house. But I don't care. It's going to be a fun rehearsal. So this is what I'm wearing. And let us go. Good morning! So today is... what day is it today? Hi, hello to you from my bathroom. Basically, I have like a little bit of makeup on my face because I got up really early this morning. I got up at 6:45. It's 8 o'clock right now. I did some yoga in the morning. Now I'm getting ready because I have to film a few things and I have a really busy day. So, wish me luck. Let's do this. So makeup is done. I think I did a pretty decent job. I'm actually quite proud of myself. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm basically wearing a white t-shirt, ripped jeans and a denim jacket. I'm really into denim nowadays. Earlier I used to not be a denim person at all. So basically what I'm going to go and shoot right now is just a simple boomerang, and it's for a campaign that Kumar is doing, which is pretty cool. So I get to do this super cool, but it's a really small campaign. It's just a boomerang. It'll just take 2 seconds to do. So this is all that it is. I think it's quite cute. So I have a huge announcement to make. It's so huge. It is so huge. I hinted to it in my last vlog and most of you guys even guessed right a little bit because I didn't give a proper hint. So I am going on a Euro trip! Oh my god! Okay, I have been planning this for so long and it's finally happening. I'm so excited. Okay, so how this all started, if you guys remember, I went on an internship to Turkey before I started this channel, and that was my first ever sort of like backpacking experience. Not exactly, but we did backpacking for like 1.5 weeks, and I made a lot of friends over there from different countries, and I decided that after I would pass out from college, the vacations that you get, I would go on a Euro trip and go to a lot of cities and travel on my own, like a solo trip. And when I passed out from college, that didn't happen because I started doing YouTube full time immediately, and then I went for Miss India and things like that. But a year after that, I've saved up enough money and I felt like, yes, I can go for the trip right now, and it's happening! So about 3 months back, I was watching Queen. I know this is so cheesy, but I was watching Queen, and then it finally hit me that I should plan this right now. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to do this anytime later, and what if it gets too late? I have saved up money, so I should go for it. In 1 month straight, we planned everything. The flights, the hostels, and the visa, everything is done. Yeah, so I leave on the 15th of August, which is quite ironic. Today is the 9th. Oh my god, I leave in like such few days. That's crazy. So I am going to Amsterdam, Berlin, Budapest and Prague. Why I didn't tell you guys for the longest time was because I wanted it to sort of be like a surprise, and Today I'm actually filming a what to pack for a solo trip, or what I'm packing for my solo trip to Europe. Basically, since I'm going to be gone for such a long time, I'm going to be gone for about 18 days, so I have to pre-film a lot of videos, and that's why I'm pre-filming the dance video, the music videos, and the what to pack video, and another video, so that while I'm not here I don't have to edit over there. So I'm doing double amounts of work in these few weeks, and this is like my dream. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. Hey, so today is Thursday and I got up really early in the morning and I got ready because I'm shooting a few short videos today. I am so exhausted. I was up till like 2 yesterday editing videos, and this is after like an entire day of like doing things and dancing and things like that. Oh, pre-filming really takes a lot of effort because I have to get all the videos that I need for now, and I'm doing Monday, Friday these days, and then also the ones that I'll need later. So I'm going a little bit crazy, but it's all gonna be worth it because I'm gonna have the craziest time in Europe. Hey, so I'm here shooting. I'm here with Sarthak. He's shooting for me today, and we've come to Leisure Valley Garden to find this, like, there's a mustard wall over here which I've shot on many times. Here it, अरे mustard कहाँ है? Mustard हटा दिया हमने, क्या करे? There is a grey wall also. We'll find that. Hopefully they haven't painted that off. Yeah, it's this one. We can shoot here. Rehearsing for the dance choreography that I'm going to put up on my channel, and today is the last day of rehearsal. We're done with it. We're shooting tomorrow, so I'm going to introduce you to the crew. Yay! Okay, intros everybody.
I am Ashna.
Ashna ma'am. Yay! So today is Friday and today we're filming the dance video. I'm really excited about it. I leave for Europe on Tuesday. There's honestly so much to do. I probably look like really sleepy or whatever, but it's because, I mean, when you get really tired and then you sleep, you wake up with a puffy face and you look like an alien. That's what happened to me. I was freaking out yesterday because I have to get the dance video filmed and edited, and the music video with Buddy. Plus, I'm filming my room tour today. Like, I'm working on like 5-6 videos at a time, and I've never done this before. But one problem, we received the track yesterday, Buddy and my music cover, and it doesn't sound good. We'll have to redo it or something. And I was planning on shooting the video for it tomorrow, but that definitely is not happening. It's better to put out something in which we put our 100% effort rather than putting out something which is like gadbad ho gayi fir bhi dekh lo types. And guys, check out the room. I am so proud. It's all ready to be filmed in. All the dusting has been done. I was like maroing kapda on the walls to clean it up. So I'm going to be filming the room tour right now. Yay! Just waiting for the camera person and the lights person to come. Otherwise, everyone's ready. We'll rehearse the choreography once more, then we'll shoot. Are you guys excited to shoot? Yeah. Before my trip, and I've come with my dad to the Decathlon because I need to buy a bag to take on my trip. Dad wants to make sure I don't carry anything which isn't his approval worthy. Hey, so I ran into Sonali who watches my channel. So introduce yourself.
I'm Sonali and I am a big fan of Sejal, and I literally follow her like madly on YouTube videos, on Insta, and then everywhere. Now here also in Decathlon. So yeah, all the best for her, for her future endeavors. So
पापा यहाँ कुछ नहीं मिल रहा हमें.
So let's go to Ambi.
Ambi अभी चले?
हाँ.
So I ran into Ashwari who watches my videos. Introduce yourself. I'm Ashwari and I love Sejal. I'm a very big fan of him. Thank you. Hey, so Kathy's over and Shreya's over. She doesn't want to be in the vlog. Only her hand is in the vlog. Okay, so I just realized that we're almost at 3 lakh subscribers. So I want to check and see if we've reached 3 lakh. Okay. So we're at 3 lakh 80. 3 lakh
380.
Oh,
No, not 380.
So I'm almost done packing. My suitcase is ready. It's pretty tiny. I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's so crazy. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm so excited. And oh my god, guys, it's the best thing ever. We're at 3 lakh subscribers. 300,000 people. That's amazing. Please tell me what you think I should do to make this special. We'll try and do something together. I actually just want to throw a huge party in different cities and sort of party with you guys, dance and talk and chill. I don't know how I'm gonna make that happen, but we will definitely try after I'm back from my trip. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you guys in Europe. Bye.